Alright, crypto heads, it's your favorite time of the day. And I'm your favorite crypto head, of course. It is 8:46 on a Thursday. That's Eastern time, and it's September 28th, 2017. Wow. I'm kind of glad this month is over. It's been a tough month for Bitcoin. For all cryptocurrency, it's been a tough month. I mean, it's looking better now, but the beginning and the middle of September, I just want to get this month behind me. And I know a lot of people feel the same way. Bitcoin is sitting at almost $42. It's meeting a little bit of resistance at 42, but it also has support at 42, so we're seeing a great triangle pattern that I see it breaking well above. We also have resistance at 42.50. Right there, you can see it. It comes down every time it hits somewhere around 42.50, which has only been a couple times. I mean, it's not really strong resistance. I think when we get above this 42 line, because this is, there's a bounce way back here, there's a bounce there, there's a bounce there, and another bounce right now happening. And once we break over that 42, I think we're going to skyrocket. So if you want to buy, you're a little bit late to the party, but it wouldn't be a bad decision. This is a 2-week chart, so let's take a closer look here. Well, when we get done with this, we're going to analyze the buy line. And I know this is my own crude way, but this is how we do it. What is that? 35? 35 would be the floor. And it looks like 42 is the ceiling. This is not, nobody uses this except me, but this is how I decide when I should buy, and it's been working for me, so I mean, I'm not going to knock it until it stops working. 38.50 would be the buy line. I don't think we're going back to 38.50. I really don't. It's right about there. You can see we were hitting support at 38.50. So the time to buy was back well before. I mean, we're here now. These were the times to buy when Bitcoin got down to 3,500, and then you had another chance at 3,700. I think we're going to explode through this resistance on this time around, and I think it's going to come up right as we're making this video here. I think it's going to happen live, and it's just going to. That's my crystal ball prediction. Let's go see. We'll come back to Bitcoin and see if we broke through that 4,200. We're so close. And we do have a perfect buy pattern. I think it's going to be a while until we ever see 4,200 after tonight. Ethereum's down from yesterday, but Ethereum, I mean, it's only down 1.7%, but Ethereum had big gains yesterday, so it's settling down. As you can see, there's really not much to talk about. It's pretty much gone horizontal at between 300 and 305. It's spent the last 16 hours between 300 and 305, just kind of gain $1 or two and drop $1 or two. No big deal. Not much to talk about. Let's go see LiteCoin. Although Ethereum does have a nice buy pattern too. So all these crypto heads getting ready to buy. They're watching these charts. LiteCoin's down 3.1%. But that's not really saying much because it's still showing a hefty price, and it's going horizontal. And yesterday it had a really good day, so I'm just kind of taking a break here. Let's go see what Bitcoin Cash is doing. It should be interesting. That coin is so unpredictable that for me it's always interesting. I just never... I don't even try to pretend to know what it's going to be. Bitcoin Cash is down. They changed their color scheme. Well, the website Crypto Compare changed their color scheme. The high today was 483 and the low was 440. So it really hasn't done much. These lines are $10 increments. This was the low right here. I don't know, 7:10 a.m. And then it shot right up. So if you were a trader and you bought there and you sold at 480, and buy at 444 and sell it 480. If you're doing it with $1,000, you probably made a couple dollars. I mean, enough to pay the electric bill for a day. Let's go back and see what everybody else is doing. Well, hey, before we go on, Bitcoin just did break through that line. Let's go back and look at the live chart, and it's moving fast, just like I figured it would. It's definitely a breakout pattern. 4206, just like that. There it is right there. See how high that candle gets. This can start moving really fast, folks. If it doesn't get to 410 in the next 60 seconds, we'll continue the crypto update. Trades coming out of Coinbase. Hit BTC, Coinbase. Lots trading on Coinbase. 1,700, 2,000. Gatecoin, Coinbase. People buying stuff. You can obviously see that's not even like somebody just bought a hot dog. Bitstamp, Coinbase. There's another hot dog. They're all the same coming out of Coinbase. It looks like somebody's updating their books at the end of a business day and doing all their transactions at once. That's probably what that is right there. Just a whole lot of little stuff. There's another one right there. There's a big one, 2,700. There's a huge one, 7,700. Okay, it's not, kind of slowed down the last couple of seconds. We'll come back to it again. Lots of volume. And this is volume. Bitcoin's number 1. ZCash is number 2 in volume. Holy mackerel. ZCash cracks the top 3. Going past LiteCoin, past Ethereum. There is more volume in ZCash than Ethereum and LiteCoin and all the other ones. What the heck is going on with ZCash? Everybody's in there and everybody's buying. ZCash is going to the moon. Okay, Bitcoin's first, ZCash is second, Ethereum's third, Litecoin is fourth. In 5th place we have Neo, in 6th we have Bitcoin Cash, 7th is Omise Go, 8th is Ethereum Classic, 9th is IOTA, 10th is Ripple. EOS is back on the scene, an honorable mention, and sitting in 11th place. Big move today for EOS, gaining 26.5%. That's big. That's probably, yep, that's the biggest mover and shaker of the day, even though it's in 11th place and shouldn't really count. Second biggest mover would be IOTA, gaining 8.7. There are a couple tankers today. Losing almost 4 points is Neo. I still can't believe the volume in ZCash. Massive amounts of bucks over there. Wow. Okay, well, that's the big story of the day. ZCash, second place in volume and gaining 7.6% in 24 hours. Huh. We should go take a look at ZCash and quote. Yeah. Let's go take a look at the chart. I know it's been gaining big time for the past couple of days, but I want to see it relative to everything else. ZCash price is $306.09. It's now more expensive than Ethereum. The chart's taking forever to load because everyone else wants to go see what's going on too. What is going on? Oh, well, it fell. I see what happened. This is one day. ZCash. Oh my god, what is going on here? Is this a bumper dumper? ZCash had risen to, yeah, all the, well, I see where all the money's going. This ain't hard to figure out. Here's the 1 week chart. This was yesterday. Shot up to 406 and then it lost everything. Pretty much what it gained, and this is today. And now it's going sideways. So although it gained 7% in 24 hours, that's based on this area here. In a couple of minutes it's going to be way in the negative, because it's going to be based, that percentage is going to be based on this peak right here. So it's going to be like down 20%. This is why, I mean, you can't just go by the percentage gains. You have to look at the charts. It's just really not doing anything. It's going sideways at 300. Yesterday it did a lot, but then it came down all day. Huh. Back to the coin a bit one last time, and we'll wrap this up and call it the crypto update for the 28th of September. I'm wondering now if Bitcoin's going to hit support back at 4,200. It's really too early to tell. You can see it doesn't want to go above it, and it doesn't want to go below it. There's that buy pattern again. It's a fight. Nobody knows. Flip a coin. Is it going to go below 4,200? I don't know. It's hitting support. Is it going to go above 4,200? I don't know. It's hitting resistance. Both that are happening at the same darn time. Peace, everybody. That's the crypto update. My name's John. I hope you have a great night.